Today's topic we're going to discuss about the verification of decimal. See, verify the following: 6.7 into 3.4 equals to 67 into 0.34. To do this, there are two steps. First is a left hand side and a right hand side. Mark the two parts of the equation, that is the left hand side and the right hand side. Then first solve the left hand side and then solve the right hand side and check whether both the answers matches or not. There is another way in which we can do it, is simply by not multiplying and finding out the answer, but just by using our common sense and our sense of knowledge in mathematics mentally. So first you see, I'll show you both the ways. So first is 6.7 into 3.4. So the first method is 6.7 into 3.4, multiply it. Before multiplying, do not consider the decimal points. Multiply it simply as 67 and 34. This is the trick. Now, if we multiply it, we get 7 into 4, 28. And 6 4s are 24 plus 2, 26. Then 3 into 7, 21. 6 3s are 18 plus 2, 20. Add. We get 8, 7, 2, 2. See. Now check the question. If you check the question, you can see that in the first part of the equation, that is the left hand side, if you mark the left hand side, you can see this is the LHS, this one, and with blue I'm going to mark the RHS, that is the right hand side. You can see both the cases, if you do not consider the decimal points, then here it actually is 67 into 34 and here also it is 67 into 34. So both are the same, only there are difference in the decimal places. So you can see if you multiply it only once and check the decimal places. So in the first case, the decimal place that we have is 1 and 1, that is 2. So in the first case, my decimal place is 2. So on the left hand side, if we consider, then the answer is 22.78 with 2 decimal places, 1 and 2. But in the right hand side, the decimal place is 1 and 2. Nothing over here. So the same decimal place. So if the same decimal place, which means in the right hand side as well, there is 2 decimal place, that is 22.78, 2 decimal place 1, 2. So my answer is correct. We can say, hence it is verified. So this was our first method of doing it, where we have to solve the answer and find out. But there is another way to which we can do it, that is simply use your common sense and check that in both the cases the number remains the same, that is 67 and 34. Here also it is 67 into 34. Both the cases the main number remains the same. So which means the answer will be the same. And even the decimal places are same, 1, 2, and here also in the right hand side 1, 2. So if the numbers are same and the decimal places are same, it means that the answer will be same. So hence proved. But for the purpose of understanding, you really have to show the working. Okay, moving on to number B. Number B, you see 0.439. Only if you consider the numbers, the number here is 439 into 56. And this is the condition of our left hand side. If we check our right hand side, then my numbers are 439 into 0.056. It means the numbers is 56 without considering the decimal places. So you can see in both the cases it is 439, 439, 56, 56, same number. Now we are going to check the decimal places. So let's check the decimal places. If we check the decimal places in the left hand side, we get 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 decimal places. And in the right hand side we have got 1, 2, 3 and 4. Both the places we have got the same number and the same decimal places. So we can say hence proof that it is, of course, equal. Moving on, number C, 45 and 38. This is what we have got in the right hand side. Left hand side we have got 45, 38 and we've also got into 100. So now you see we have got 45 and 38. Here there is no decimal places. And here you can see there is decimal place 1, 2. But we've also got 100. That is, whatever is the answer with which if we multiply it with 100, the decimal point will definitely shift twice to the right, and therefore there will be no decimal places left in the answer. What I mean to say is, for that simplicity purpose, we'll multiply and show you and prove the thing to you. So it's 45 into 38. So 45 into 38. So it's 8 into 5, 40. 8 into 4, 32, plus 4, 36. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 4, 12, plus 1, 13. Add, it is 0, 6, 5, 11. 3 plus 3, 6, plus 1, 7, and 1. So my answer is 1710. Similarly, for this is what we have done to the left hand side. Left hand side we have got the answer. Now for the right hand side, we have got the same question with two decimal places. So if there is two decimal places, it means for the left hand side, it must be 1710 and two decimal places, that is 1, 2. And there must be a decimal point here. But with which we have multiplied 100, and 100, multiplying a number with 100 means the decimal point will shift twice, because there are two zeros, so shifting twice. So the answer will become 1710, which is equal to what we had previously. So there's two decimal places multiplied by 100, and that means we are left with no decimal point. So here, hence we can say that this is also equal. Moving on to number D. You can see we've got 4.5, 0.8 and 1.4. So here we have got the number 45, here we have got 8, and here we have got 14 if we do not consider the decimal places. And the decimal places are 1, 2, 3. In this case, we have got 14, we have got 45, and we have got 8. And the decimal places are 1, 2, and 3. Which means same number, that is see 45, 45, 8, 8, 14, 14. So we have got the same number, not only the same numbers, also the same decimal places. And you know the order doesn't really matter. It will not affect our answer. So therefore, because it has got the same numbers and the same decimal places as well, so hence verify that it will be equal. Now we're going to move to the match the following sections. See, we have got 9.9 into 10. It means simply 10 means 1 0, so decimal point will shift only once to the right because there is 1 0. So my answer here is 99. Then you can see 31 into 3. So simply 3 into 3, 9, and 3 ones are 3. And the decimal places are, you can see the decimal places are 1, 2, and 3. It means 1, 2, and 3. So this must be 0.093. So let's write it. The answer will be 0.093. Next, 2 into 2, answer is 4. The decimal place is 1, 2. So decimal place is 1, 2. That is 0.04. 2 decimal places. Next, we have got 0.5 and 4. So 5 into 4, my answer is 20. Decimal places are 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and for 3 we insert a 0 and then decimal place. Let's make it 0.020. And last one, 0.60 into 5. So 6 into 5 is 30. Decimal places are 1, 2, 3. So decimal place 1, 2, 3. So this becomes 0.030. So we can do it simply without any problem. So the first one is 99. So if we want to match it, so this will be 99. The next one is 0.93. So we can mark it. This is A, that is 99. B is 0.93. C is 0.04. And D is 0.02 or 020 is the same thing. And last 6 into 5, this we are left with this one. because you see we have got 0.60 and we have got into 5. So 5 zeros are 0, 6 into 5 30. So 5 into 0 0, and then we have got 3. The decimal places are 2. So 2 decimal places leaves us to 3. So the answer to this question will be 3. So we can write E over here.